مرحبا، أهلا وسهلا بكم في قناتي. Hello and welcome to my channel. اليوم سنتعلم 15 كلمة وعبارة عربية شائعة. Today we will learn 15 common Arabic words and phrases. So let's get started. If you want to greet someone in Arabic, you can simply say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. You can use it at any time of the day, morning, at night, it doesn't matter. If you want to say goodbye in Arabic, you can say مع السلامة. مع السلامة. السلامة means safety. So you're literally saying may safety accompany you. And of course, when you meet someone, the first thing that you ask them about is their name. So in Arabic, if you're talking to a male, you can ask him ما اسمك. ما اسمك. If you're talking to a female, you can ask her ما اسمك. ما اسمك. What's your name? And when someone asks you about your name, you can answer with اسمي. You can say your name here. For example, اسمي سامي or اسمي سارة. So it doesn't matter if you're a male or a female, it's the same answer. After meeting someone, you tell them nice to meet you. So in Arabic you can say تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك to a male and تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك to a female. تشرفت means honored. Its literal meaning is I'm honored to meet you. Now, if you want to thank someone in Arabic, you can simply say shukran. Shukran. And if you want to say you're welcome, you can say عفوا. عفوا. Now, if you want to apologize to someone in Arabic, if you step on someone's foot accidentally, what would you say? If you are male, you can say أنا آسف. أنا آسف. If you're a female, you can say أنا آسفة. أنا آسفة, which means I'm sorry. Now, if you want to say yes or no in Arabic, it's very simple. Yes is نعم. نعم. And no is لا. لا. Now, if you want to say what is this in Arabic, you can say ما هذا. ما هذا. ما هذا. If you want to say please, if you're talking to a male, you can say لو سمحت. لو سمحت. If you're talking to a female, you can say لو سمحتي. لو سمحتي. لو means if. سمحت, if you please. So لو سمحت means if you please. Now, if you want to ask someone to speak slowly, you can say تحدث ببطء لو سمحت. تحدث ببطء لو سمحت. If you're talking to a male. تحدثي ببطء لو سمحتي. تحدثي ببطء لو سمحتي. Speak slowly, please. Now, if someone tells you something and you just don't understand it, you can say لم أفهم. لم أفهم. I didn't understand. Now, one of the most common questions you will need to ask is where is something? So, in Arabic you would say أين and the thing that you're asking about. So, for example, you can say أين الحمام. أين الحمام. Where's the bathroom? أين المصرف. أين المصرف. Where's the bank? If someone asks you a question and you don't know the answer, you can say لا أعرف. لا أعرف. I don't know. If you're in a situation and you need help, you can say أحتاج إلى المساعدة. أحتاج إلى المساعدة. أحتاج means I need, المساعدة help. Now, this is another useful phrase. You can say, if you want to say that you speak a little Arabic, you can say أنا أتكلم القليل من العربية. أنا أتكلم القليل من العربية. أنا أتكلم القليل من العربية. Is there any other phrases you want to learn? Please leave them in the comments below. شكرا لمشاهدتكم. إلى اللقاء.